Hello, good morning everybody. Indrakshi, where is your school dress? Where? Purbayon, after many days you have joined. Okay, how are you? Okay, Ahana, please don't remove anybody, beta. And one thing, today I will teach you grammar. Grammar, page number 5. Page number 5, asking question, chapter number 3. Please open your copy and if you want, as well as book also. Okay. I'm fine. Srestha, any problem? Can you see me? Can you listen to me? Please tell me. Yes or no? Only yes or no. Arnav, you have removed Lisa. Don't do beta. Okay. Now you are doing the class. Don't press any button of the computer, laptop or mobile. Please do the class properly. Ovirup, I am fine beta. Please do the class. Okay. So asking question. What are asking question? Actually, you have read the sentence. Sentence, I told that sentence are group of words that make complete sense. But Ovirup, I am fine beta. Saptarshi, you cannot see me. Ovirup, can you see me? Am I visible to you? Ovirup, please write yes or no. Okay, Ovirup is telling. So I think Snigdha, you are having some problem. So once you leave, again will join. Okay, Indrakshi also telling yes. Lisa also last Srestha told that yes. So please continue the class. Asking question. Sentence, I have last day I have given example also. I have given example that I am a student. That is descriptive sentence because full stop I am giving. I told the sentence begins with capital letter, ends with full stop or question mark. So where we can put question mark? Where we can put question mark? That is the question. So I am telling one thing that Lisa is doing the class. So this question, Lisa, Srestha, Snigdha, Oshmit, Indrakshi, Ahanap, all Purbayon, Ovirup, everybody, they are doing the class. Just this is descriptive sentence, means some things I am describing that they are doing the class. So when I am asking you, are you doing the class? So that is question. Okay, when I am asking, so how I will make the asking question? I am telling that here one example is there. Renu is happy. Hey Purbayon, please stop your front camera beta. Okay, so here Renu is happy. How I am making this question? Is Renu happy? Okay, is Renu happy? Why this question, this verb, I am just taking it front. So that is the order I am changing the order of the sentence. Renu is happy. Is Renu happy? Okay, so I am telling something. When I am describing something, that time I am describing some things. That time I am giving full stop. If I am asking something, so that time I can tell you that that is the question. Kritika Pal. So here just if I am telling that they or some Ram is going to school. This is a descriptive sentence. So I can ask, is Ram going to school? just see order, I am changing that. Is, I am taking that front. Ram, obviously this is special name, you know that. That is the name, so capital I am telling. So first word also sentence, I told. Always sentence begins with capital letter. Okay, I told Oshmit, no need to send the picture. No need to send the picture. So is Ram going to school? Is Ram going to school? So here everybody I can tell that I am changing the order. Only is. Is Ram going to school? Here they have told Renu is happy. So is Renu happy? Is obviously capital letter. Renu happy. So where question mark obviously I am giving. And one thing, page number, Sudeshna, I have written page number 5 in the grammar book. So Ram is going to school. Is Ram going to school? Renu is happy. Is Renu happy? So here I am just telling, is Renu happy? So when I am changing the order, this descriptive sentence, so describing sentence or descriptive sentence is making the question mark. Okay. So here Ram is going to school. If I am telling Lisa is doing the class, so is Lisa doing the class? Is Kaushik Ghosh doing class? So this is also a question. So everybody please listen that questions that why are you not muted always? Ankita Noshkar is already muted. Why did you Hridipaja Arpan Das? Why everybody is muted? No, here. Why are you doing like this? Please don't do. Please do the class. Yes, you can write in your, but afterwards you will write. Only you can change the order. Here all these things are in the book. Okay, just I am telling, please listen and understand. So one descriptive sentence, telling sentence and question. Telling sentence, if I am telling Raja goes, or Raja is present today. Present. So is Raja present? So only I am changing the order. Please remember that whenever we are asking the question, that time we are changing the order. Besides that also, we can do another things. You can remember it. What, when, where, why. We can ask question by asking this. Yes, what is your name? That is question. When do you, just there, when are you coming? When, I will tell. You can write, no problem. Chandrama, you are not writing. I will tell when you are writing. Open your book, then you will show me. You will write. You please listen to me. When do you go there? When do you go? Question. Where is your home? Why are you sleeping? Or why are you talking? All these are questions. I think you know all these things. So now we can go to the Exercise number B. Change the position of the underlined words. Now you can write, and please listen to everybody. Now you can write in your book or copy. I think you should use your copy. You are class 3, so you can use your copy. Book B now you will do. Please now do in your copy. Number 5. So question exercise number B. Exercise number B. It was a dark night. Answer I am writing. Was, you will also write. Please write in your book or copy. I will tell you please write in your copy, but I want to show, I want to see all these things. After finishing the class, please send the picture or open your front camera and send these things. Was it a, just look, I have told you the sentence begins with capital letter. So first, was it a dark night? Was it a dark night? Number 2, B1. Why, Devashmita, you cannot write in your copy? Why? Please write. What happened? Any problem? The stars were twinkling in the sky. Number 2, where the stars twinkling, T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling in the sky. Number 3, Mukul was looking at the stars with great interest. So Mukul was looking at the stars with great interest. So was Mukul, just see, W also capital, M also capital. Was Mukul looking at the stars with great interest? Great interest. Question mark. All the questions ends with question mark. Ushmit, I am not telling you to send all these things. Okay, beta? This is not today's work. Today's work only you will send after finishing this. Devashmita, why you cannot send me? And worksheet means Aradha, you have done in your home, that also I don't want. You will do in the class, then after you will send it. So first one I am rubbing, second one, third one is there, fourth one, Shudha is writing a letter. Shudha is writing a letter to her friend Shalu. Is capital, is Shudha writing a letter to her friend Shalu, S-H-A-L-U. Devapriya, please afterwards. Dibbajyoti, I told you where you are. Now all these 4 sentences are there. Anywhere you can write. Why you cannot see the board, Tiyasha? What is the problem? Now you are telling. Question number 2, I am just rubbing that. Question number 5. She is very fond of her puppy Jack. Is she fond of her puppy Jack? Question mark. Only order you will change and all the rest of the things are same. Order is when is she fond of her puppy Jack? Number 6, she will be sending Shalu a picture of Jack. So will she be sending Shalu a picture of Jack? But always it also will finish with question mark. So here this one I am just rubbing. Question number 7, here I am writing Jack is very cute and playful puppy. Is Jack very cute and playful puppy? Is Jack very cute and playful puppy? Oof. Chandrama, you should not send like this. So these two, only one page picture you have made that PDF and you will send. Oof, my God, Chandrama, please don't send like this. I have to download. I cannot download here, beta. Number 6, will she be, only will be the coming first. Will she be sending the Shalu a picture of Jack? Will be coming first. Okay. Let me see who are present. Deboshmita, Abhirup, Ahanap, Alansha, Unkita, Aradha Dotto, Aradha Roy, Arman Samim, Orpon Dash, Oshmit Mundal, Ayush Pal, Chandrama Bokshi, Debopriya Mukherjee, Debartho Dan, Debopriya Mondal, Dibbojyoti Tiwari, Ridhi Paja, Kaushik Ghosh, Kritika Pal, Reza Khatun, Purbayan Mondal, Saptarshi Malik, Shivam Roy, Shrestha Ghosh, Snigdha Ghosh, Somagni De, Sudeshna Pal, Tiyasha Banerjee. Those who have written, please show me in the front camera. Open your front camera and show me.